Raising millions of pheasants in the U.S. is a complex, daily mind game to keep them living in peace.
Behind their dazzling feathers lies a clever battle to tame their wild instincts.
Welcome to AgroWorks USA, where we explore the fascinating world of commercial pheasant farming.
These striking birds are more than just beautiful. They are a valuable source of meat, feathers, and conservation.
But what most people don't see is the careful planning and precise techniques that farmers use to raise them.
From controlling their diet and health to managing their natural aggression, every step is a mix of science and patience.
You will see how farmers turn what could be an untamed flock into a thriving, profitable operation.
Stay tuned, hit that like button, and subscribe to AgroWorks USA to follow this incredible journey. Pheasants, particularly the ringneck variety, first arrived in the United States in the late 19th century, imported from Asia. Their adaptability to different climates and appealing appearance quickly captured public interest, evolving from a prized target for hunters. By the mid-20th century, commercial pheasant farms began emerging, supplying meat, eggs, and feathers to a growing market. Today, the scale of production is impressive, with the U.S. producing millions of pheasants annually. Each bird can generate between $20 and $50 in revenue, depending on breed, size, and quality. The meat, known for its lean texture and distinct flavor, is featured in high-end restaurants. While feathers are in demand in the fashion and craft industries, eggs are considered a delicacy in specialty markets. With multiple revenue streams and relatively modest infrastructure requirements, pheasant farming offers a competitive return on investment.
It has become an attractive option for farmers seeking diversification, blending tradition with modern agribusiness.
Successful pheasant farming relies on creating a habitat that balances security, comfort, and stimulation.
Large-scale U.S. pheasant farms often adopt a semi-wild model, providing each bird with around 25 square feet of space.
Spacious, well-ventilated barns protect the birds from predators such as foxes and wild dogs, while also shielding them from harsh weather.
Cages are typically made of wood or steel frames, fitted with durable mesh to prevent escape, while allowing fresh air circulation.
Inside, natural light is supplemented with artificial lighting to maintain consistent day-night cycles, supporting healthy growth and reproduction.
Newly hatched chicks spend their first 6 to 8 weeks in temperature-controlled brooders to ensure high survival rates before transitioning outdoors.
The ground is often lined with straw or soft bedding to cushion the birds and reduce stress. Strategic placement of feeders and water systems ensures constant access without overcrowding.
Maintaining a clean, dry environment minimizes disease risk and supports optimal feather condition, a critical factor for both.
By replicating aspects of their natural habitat while maintaining modern biosecurity measures, farms can raise healthier birds.
Do you think raising pheasants outdoors or in enclosed barns is better? Leave your thoughts in the comments.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can explore more agricultural secrets together in upcoming AgroWorks USA videos.
Here at the enclosure, the staff meticulously monitor the health and behavior of the flock, ensuring optimal conditions for thousands of birds.
Each healthy female can lay between 50 and 80 eggs per season, depending on genetics, nutrition, and overall health.
To maximize fertility, farms maintain balanced male-to-female ratios and ensure stress-free conditions.
Once collected, eggs are carefully cleaned to remove debris and prevent bacterial contamination. Modern farms often use disinfectant washes that are gentle enough to preserve the eggshell's protective layer.
Eggs are then transferred to sterilized incubators, where temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. Usually
Incubation lasts about 24 to 25 days, during which automated systems rotate the eggs regularly to prevent the embryo from sticking to the shell.
In the final days, humidity is increased slightly to make hatching easier.
After hatching, Chicks are moved to heated brooders for their first 6 to 8 weeks, where they receive constant warmth, starter feed. Raising pheasants at scale requires a fine balance of nutrition, healthcare, and behavioral management. Their diet consists mainly of grains, seeds, and specially formulated commercial feed, enriched with proteins, vitamins, and minerals.
Fresh greens are often added to improve digestion and overall vitality.
Water must be clean and available at all times, as dehydration can quickly weaken the birds.
Regular health inspections are crucial to detect early signs of respiratory issues, parasites, or nutritional deficiencies. By catching problems early, farmers reduce the need for antibiotics, ensuring meat and eggs remain pure for high-end markets.
One of the most unique challenges is managing the pheasant's wild instincts.
Overcrowding or stress can lead to aggressive pecking, causing injury or death.
It's daunting. To prevent this, farms sometimes fit young pheasants, around 5 weeks old, with small plastic blinders that limit forward.
Beak trimming may be applied in severe cases.
In addition, providing 25 square feet per bird, shaded shelters, and varied terrain keeps the flock calmer and healthier.
This combination of dietary precision, preventive healthcare, and behavioral control is key to producing premium quality pheasants on a commercial scale.
Do you think blindfolding pheasants makes them uncomfortable? Do you have any ideas to help reduce their stress?
Share your perspective in the comments. I'm really looking forward to hearing from you.
Once pheasants reach market weight, typically at 20 to 24 weeks, they are carefully caught to minimize stress, as stress can affect meat quality. Birds destined for meat are transported in ventilated crates to processing facilities, where humane slaughter methods are used in compliance. Processing begins with the feathering, followed by evisceration and thorough cleaning to ensure hygiene.
The meat is then chilled rapidly to preserve freshness and flavor, before being portioned into whole birds, breasts, or specialty cuts.
High-end restaurants often prefer whole roasted pheasants for presentation, while smaller cuts are sold through gourmet retailers.
Eggs collected during the breeding season undergo a separate handling process.
After cleaning, they are either sold fresh to niche markets or placed in controlled incubators for hatching.
Some premium pheasant eggs are preserved for culinary use, prized for their rich taste and unique size.
Feathers, a valuable byproduct, are sorted and sold to the fashion and craft industries for use in hats, coats, and decorative accessories.
This full utilization of the bird, from meat and eggs to feathers, ensures that pheasant farming maximizes profitability while minimizing waste,
making it a sustainable and economically rewarding enterprise.
The U.S. pheasant industry is experiencing steady growth, with production increasing about 15% annually.
Each bird can generate $20 to $50, depending on breed, weight, and quality, making pheasant farming a lucrative niche.
Farmers tap into diverse revenue streams: premium meat for fine dining restaurants, eggs for gourmet retail, and
market demand skalkeltrek to see. Verelklof en alle propska exornius seal colonpronderic polinarius seeking exoluposum and aquadancer
and domestic hunting preserves that require large volumes of healthy, agile birds each season.
Seasonal hunting tourism alone contributes millions to local economies.
Value-added products, such as smoked pheasant, marinated cuts, or prepared gourmet meals, further boost margins.
Increasingly, sustainability certifications and transparent sourcing appeal to eco-conscious consumers willing to pay premium prices.
By leveraging product diversification, branding focused on wildlife heritage, and access to export markets,
meeting rising global demand while sustaining long-term profitability.
Why do you think the international market favors pheasants? What do you believe will be the consumption trend for pheasants over the next 10 years?
Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you care about sustainable agriculture, Give this video a like and subscribe to AgroWorks USA.
Pheasants play a meaningful role in U.S. wildlife conservation, beyond their economic value. Many farms partner with conservation groups to restore grasslands and create habitats that benefit pheasants and other native species.
These projects improve biodiversity, enhance soil quality, and reduce erosion through healthy vegetation growth.
Livestock. Controlled releases of farm-raised pheasants during hunting seasons help maintain wild populations while supporting recreationists.
Still, intensive farming carries risks such as waste runoff and habitat pressure.
To address this, modern farms adopt eco-friendly measures like water recycling, waste treatment, and rotational grazing areas.
By combining conservation initiatives with commercial production, pheasant farms show how profitable agriculture can align.
From a bird once prized for hunting to a valuable product in gourmet markets, pheasants now play a key role in both business and conservation.
Behind their beauty is a story of careful farming, sustainable methods, and balancing wild instincts with human needs. At AgroWorks USA, we've seen how American farmers raise millions of pheasants, turning challenges into opportunities.
What part of this process impressed you most? The farming techniques, the market potential, or the conservation impact?
Share your thoughts below and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss our next journey into the world of agriculture.
Ensuring quality control is paramount. Each egg is meticulously placed by hand, guaranteeing freshness from our facility to your table.